Okay, so this is the wooden block that I'll be using um, to adapt from this old camera eufyCam E bracket to the new camera SoloCam S340 bracket. What I did is to mark the holes for the old camera bracket. What I did is I took this piece of paper and I put it on top of the two anchor holes, and I pressed down on over the anchors and the holes to mark the actual distance. Then I took the same piece of paper on this wood. This is a 3" by 3" by 1.5" piece of wood that I sawed off using this hacksaw. And then what I did is I painted the wood using this paint. It's a barn, and in my case it matches really well with the color of the brick of the home, so it worked really well. But it's 1 gallon of this red exterior flat paint, barn and fence wood finish, Glidden grab and go. I got this from Walmart for about 22 bucks, which is a good price for 1 gallon. It's an exterior paint, so it should hold up. I think it's latex base paint, so it's easy to, it hides really well, protects wood, and easy soap and water cleanup. So this is perfect for my needs. Most of the paint is really expensive, 40 bucks and higher for 1 gallon for exterior paint, but this one was just $22 for 1 gallon. It looks pretty good. Anyway, I took this piece of paper and then I drilled two pilot holes using this drill, and then I made them wider so that they can hold the stainless steel screws that I'll use to secure this. And then what I'm going to do is I'll use the lower screw for the old bracket had two screws which are marked here. I'll secure this, and I'll use the new bracket has three screws, so I'll use the lowest screw for the new bracket, and I'll drill two new holes for the other two side uh, uh, holes for the bracket. And I'm going to be using countersink stainless steel screws. So countersink would mean that the screw would go into the wood, and this it wouldn't pop out, and it would be perfect to install this bracket on top of those countersink screws. For the two side ones, I'm going to use stainless steel bolts. I actually prefer bolts because they don't strip as compared to screws which can strip. So that's the setup I'm going to be using, and in the next video I'll show you where I'm installing this bracket, and I have another video in which I show how I install this bracket. So that's about it.